everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, and this video I'm doing this like 2 weeks ahead. You guys won't see it until sometime near December 25th, but yeah. I got this done. It is a finished project, and the reason why I'm doing it now, and I wish my tripod was a little lower, but oh well. The reason why I'm doing it now is because I got it done, and it's for one of my dad's clients, and it is going to go to him before he goes into his operation. I think it's for his hip. I can't exactly remember, but I pushed hard to try and get it done. Tunisian crochet takes forever, and it's the closest thing to knitting, so it's a very tight, very thick stitch, and it needed to be double wide. But it is a scarf, and it has tassels on it. It's double wide. I use a commercial made scarf that I have lying around as a measuring tool for most scarves when I start by making the width instead of the length. So I measured it against that, and it was just about the right size. So I hope he likes it. I hope it keeps him warm when he goes hunting next year. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the stitches up close, and I'm going to show you the pattern up close. I'll show you front and back. This is the front, and this is the back. Don't know if you guys can see that very well, but either way he decides to wear it, front or back, I hope he's gonna love it. How do you guys like my holiday outfit? My dad bought this for me a while back, and it jingles. So, that is what I wanted to show you guys. I finished it Wednesday, December 12th, I think that's what today is. I believe it is. And you guys won't be seeing this video until, let's see, the last video I scheduled was for the 19th. Somewhere around the 20th to 24th maybe. I don't know, I'll look at my schedule. I have a little planner book that I mark down when I have a video scheduled. I really try to get videos done and scheduled ahead of time so that I can do what I need to do when I need to do it. Like if I need to do an order, I can do that and get that out of the way ASAP. Or if I want to plan something out, like next I have something that I know I want to do, I cannot give you guys the pattern, but I can give you where to find the pattern. It is in a book. I'm going to be making another scarf, not another Tunisian crochet scarf. I love Tunisian crochet. It's great. I use it for my pillows 99% of the time. Unless I don't know exactly how I want to work up those pillows, then I'll use single crochet. Scarves, it looks beautiful in it. It's nice and warm for scarves. And an Afghan, forget it. I will not do Tunisian crochet for an Afghan or a shawl because it takes way too long just to do a scarf in the Tunisian crochet. It took me about 2 to 3 weeks to get that done. But yeah, takes a little too long for my liking. It's the closest thing, in my opinion, to actually knitting. Let me see if I can get a photo of my next project for you guys. I have a couple bookmarks And in this is the encyclopedia, the little encyclopedia of scarves. And as you can see, there are some scarf patterns on here. And this one right here is the one that I'm going to do next. I've been wanting to do Harry Potter themed scarves for a while, and I could not find a pattern that I wanted to use. I was gonna try single crochet, but that takes quite a while too for scarves, and I didn't want to do another Tunisian crochet one, so I wanted to find something somewhat similar to the design of the Harry Potter scarves, and I think this is pretty close. I mean, you have your breaks between the red, the gold, or the green and the silver, or the black and the yellow, or even the Ravenclaw colors. I believe that's blue and silver. But yeah, that's the design that I want to do. That's the project that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and I'm just now getting around to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the scarf, seeing the new scarf that I'm gonna make. And I will see you guys in the next video, whatever video that will be. I won't know until after I schedule this one and figure out what to make myself. So, with that being said, wait, no, there's something else I wanted to talk to you guys about. And it shouldn't bug me as much as it does, but it does. During the summer, someone had bought a bracelet. And I told them right then and there that the clasp was a workable piece. You do open the clasp and put it back on when you go to put the bracelet on. If you are drunk to the point of you're not even listening to the person when they give you specifics about something, and then you go home and you force a bracelet or whatever it is that you are too drunk to listen to instructions for, yes, it will break. No, it is not my fault. I told you right then and there. If you want to get it repaired, yes, I do repairs. My mom doesn't know this. She will by the time this video is done, but I've already repaired one of the Afghans she's asked me to repair. I do repairs. My first repair was the first year I did a farmer's market. A man wanted a keepsake repaired, so I repaired it. It was a beautiful little Afghan that his mother made for him, and he wanted it done. He, within half an hour of asking me if I did repairs, went and got the blanket and brought it to me, and I repaired it right there, right in front of him. If you want something repaired that you bought from me or from anyone else, you actually have to go through with it. Meaning, I will meet you at a local coffee shop, which there are a couple in my area, and I will repair it if you're locally. I had one person that was from Rochester drive all the way down because she didn't want to do shipping, and she met me at the local coffee shop, and that was for the Batman pillow. But if you're local, I'll meet you at the coffee shop. You can hand me the item. I will tell you how much the repair is for after I determine the damage. If you want the repair done and it was something that you bought from me and you broke it because you didn't want to listen, and then you all of a sudden just don't come to me for the repair, do not get mad or do not even bother to come and ask me to repair it, because if you're going to waste my time, then you're not worth it to me. I don't care if I lose a couple subscribers from saying that. If I'm going to take the time to listen to your complaint and be willing to repair something for you, and I give you the price, and it's a fair price. She paid $15 for the bracelet. She broke it and insulted me, and I told her it was $5 to repair it because she said it fell apart like butter, and yes, that is an insult. And then when I gave her the price of $5 to repair it, she didn't contact me again. And that was time on the phone wasted that I could have been working on a custom order that I had at that time. I don't like my time being wasted for someone who's not going to actually go through with something. Like, if you are, again, going to ask me for a repair, my prices are cheap, not only in the repairs, but the products themselves. My parents are always telling me I could easily charge double of what I charge. Scarves are $20, an extra wide scarf is $30. I could easily charge $40 to $50 per scarf because it's handmade. And the yarn, I could easily charge $33 or something like that for a hank of yarn, but I don't. I charge $10 a hank of yarn for 100 yards. I charge $20 for a scarf, $30 for a double wide scarf instead of $40 to $50. I charge $45 for a shawl instead of $85 or $90 for a shawl. But if you're not going to go through with it, you can ask and just say, I just want to know how much it would be. Then I know, okay, you're not that serious about it. You just want to know the information. But don't call me after you break something that I made, that you bought, and say that it fell apart like butter because you don't want to listen. Does that sound fair? I think it does. Repairs, I'll do them. I had such a great time repairing that keepsake for that man, and it didn't look like he had that much other than that keepsake and his pet that clearly loved the blanket as much as he did. So I wasn't going to charge him, but he gave me $20 for it anyways. And that was great. And I didn't know that I wanted to do repairs until then, until I saw the smile on his face when I repaired something that meant so much to him. So it doesn't matter if it's something I make or something that someone else makes and it's got a hole in it, I will repair it. Whether it's crochet related or knit related, I can try knit related stuff. I don't knit. I tried it, I didn't like it, I stuck with crochet. But I do repairs. I like seeing how happy people are when I do the repairs. My mom's gonna be so happy to know that one of two Afghans that she said had holes in it is repaired. But yeah, if you're not serious about something like a purchase or getting something repaired, don't waste my time if it's something you bought that you broke and you want to insult me for while trying to ask me to repair it practically for free, which is what that woman was trying to do. She didn't want to pay anything to have it repaired. She thought it was my fault, and I know the customer is supposed to be always right, But no, when you are told that a specific piece of a specific item is workable, you do use it. You don't force that item to break. You don't take like a crowbar and break it, pretty much, and then insult the creator. So yeah, that was on my mind. I don't know why it was bugging me, but it was. So that is it. I think I have talked your ear off enough. It's been about 15 minutes, probably 16 by now. As soon as this little thing wants to work, I will say goodbye. All right. Have a delightful day, everyone. Thank you for listening to me ramble, and happy hooking.